Petia, I, JBN Varsha Singh from Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Our today's session of the class is virtualization from the subject of cloud computing. So we have earlier discussed about cloud computing. The next topic of the class is virtualization, which is a very important topic in the cloud computing. So what is virtualization? Virtualization means creating something virtually, but it works as a real world. So, virtualization is a computer architecture technology by which multiple virtual machines are multiplexed in the same hardware unit. That means virtualization is a technology by which multiple virtual machine is created on the same hardware machine. It shares the virtual machine shares the resource and improve the computer performance in terms of resource utilization and application flexibility. Resource utilization means it shares resources like CPU, memory, input output devices, or software resources like operating system and software libraries. It can be virtualized in various functional layers. So the virtualization creates virtual machine in particularly one hardware machine. Virtualization created by some software program which is called hypervisor. Hypervisor is a software program which is installed in operating system by which we will create the virtualization environment, and with the help of our virtualization environment we will create multiple virtual machine. Virtual machine work as a your real machine, so it will enhance your workload and work it enhance your performance of your computer and reduce your workload in the same machine. It also reduce your cost, and in the um, performance wise it is very um, improvement technology in cloud computing. Many tasks is done in the same machine with the helping different using different operating system. Okay, so each virtual machine appears to be a complete self-contained computer system with its own processor, memory, disk driver, CD-ROM, DVD drivers, and other resources. With sufficient storage, any computer platform can be installed in another host computer, even if they use processors with different instruction sets and run with distinct operating system on the same hardware. So virtualization implementation has many levels, but in our session we will discuss about virtualization implementation on the operating system level. Okay, so we will see how the virtualization install on the operating system using hypervisor programming, which is called virtual machine monitor. Okay, so the virtual machines are shown in the uppest boxes where application run with their own guest operating system over the virtualized CPU, memory, and input output resources. Okay, so here we will understand by the figure how it works. Okay, so here you can see, here is the instruction set architecture level where your courses board, dynamo, and hardware abstraction layer is like VMware, virtual PC, Daniel, Xen, and operating system level like virtual environment, VPS, FVM, and library user level API like Wine, ABU, LX Run, Visual Main Win. Okay, and application level of virtualization is JVM, NET, CLR, PANOT. But we will study operating system level of virtualization. Okay, so the main function of the software layer for virtualization is to virtualize the physical hardware of a host machine into virtual resources to be used by the virtual machine exclusively. This can be implemented at various operational levels. The virtualization software creates the abstraction of virtual machine by interposing a virtualization layer at various levels of a computer system. Common virtualization layer include the instruction set architecture level. So come to the how virtualization implemented on operating system. So operating system level, this refer to an abstraction layer between traditional operating system and user application operating system level virtualization. So create isolated container on a single physical servers and the operating system instance to utilize the hardware and software in data centers. The containers behave like real servers. OS level virtualization is commonly used in creating virtual hosting environments to allocate hardware resources among a large number of mutually distributing users. It is also used to lesser extent in consolidating server hardware by moving services on separate hosts into containers or virtual machine on one server. Okay. So how virtualization with library interface is possible by controlling the communication link between application and the rest of a system through API hooks. The Wine software tool has implemented this approach to support Windows application on top of Unix host. Another example of the vCUDA, which allows application executing within virtual machine to leverage GPU hardware acceleration. So virtualization are known as application isolation, application sandboxing, or application streaming. The process involves wrapping the application in a layer that is isolated from the host operating system and other applications. The result is an application that is much easier to distribute and remove from user workstation. Example is LANDesk application virtualization platform, which deploys software application as self-contained executable files in an isolated environment without requiring installation system modification or elevated security privilege. So guys, here is the conclusion of this topic is virtualization is the technology by which you can create multiple virtual machine on your same system using hypervisor software program which which is in which has been installed in your operating system, and it provides the technology and technique to install the various virtual machine in your PC, and it is as capable as your machine. Okay, and the benefit of this virtualization is in the same PC you can work many different types as supporting your operating system. If you want to do your project on Windows operating system, you can easily do. And if you want to do your project on your Linux based operating system, it can also support for your project. Okay, this is the benefit of virtualization, but in next lecture we will see the advantage and disadvantage of virtualization also. Okay, thank you class. I hope you like my session. If any queries regarding this session, please comment below. This session is provided by Digital Version 2.0 from Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Thank you class.